Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Love Buggies stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it has 9 pieces to it. I'm going to stamp it out so you can see what the images look like. As you can see, the images stamp out really nice. There are 4 images in the set and it comes with 5 sentiments. The images measure anywhere from 1 1/4 inches wide to 3 inches wide by 2 1/4 inches tall to 2.5 inches tall. I did want to share a card I made with you. I used the Love Buggies stamp set and I paired it up with the Tropical Flowers paper and the Scallop circled frames to make this cute little shaker card. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.